is we are going to tell you that how you can connect to the DB of your instance, whether it's on any server, but especially for AWS. So as I have some instances over AWS. So let's just jump on to what are the key requirements. So first of all, what you need is a universal database connector or a tool, which is I am using DBware. For that, you can just go to Google Chrome and simply the dbware.io, and I will share the link in the description. You can just download the community version, or anyone you would like, any universal database tool, you can download it, but it's more user friendly, so I prefer it. And so yes, the first requirement is DBware. The second requirement is to install it, as I have already installed it, so I'm going to show you how it works. So install it and open it. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to jump into it where it is. Okay, oh no, not that one. Just so I have to search for a DBware, and you will be seeing something like some interface like this, which once it is loaded, you will see that what I'm going to do. So okay, so just to connect to any database, okay, what it is showing, I just need to close that, and here I have this. I have to click here. You will click here, or here you will see that I will just click here. Here it is giving me option for a new database connection, so I just need to click on this one. Okay, so now this is saying that MySQL, PostgreSQL, and all these database types where you can connect to your database, and you have to select which type of database you are using. So how you will know that what your instance is supporting or what your key requirements are? So every file, just go to the internet. If you have installed a database, if you have installed WordPress from Lightsail, just ask for it how I can get the database requirements from it, and you can easily get all the things from your instance. What we need here is actually I will just show you what are the key requirements. So let me just make it clear. So we need the host name, we need the port, we need the name of the database, we need the username, we need the password for database, or if it is SSL protected, you have the key PEM file or PPK file for that instance. Then you also need the like the public IPv, public IP v4 as well. And the ninth thing, don't worry about these things, I will explain how you are going to need them and how you are going to connect with them, so just don't get confused. So public IP v4, you also need that. And after that, what you need is just what I can say that yes, your PEM file, .pem file / .ppk, whatever it is. So okay, I will show you an example as well. So first of all, in the DBware, I will go here. For example, I have an EC2 instance which has MySQL installed on it, and I'm going to connect to it. So what I'm going to do is select this one, pass to next, and here is the server host of the database. So never change it with the IPv4. If its name will be whatever defined inside the environment file of your database. So yeah, and the port will be always 3360. You can 3306 for MySQL, so on the local host. Here you can just simply paste the name. For example, my database name is Kasim, and its password is like something. I'm just entering a random password, 12345 whatever it is. And then you need to go to the SSH, and here you need to use SSH tunnel for your database, and here you need to paste the IPv4 address of your instance. That IPv4 address is something like 127.04.105, something like this. You can paste it here. Username will be the instance type name. Mostly you can get it. It's if you have the Linux instance, it will be sorry, the Linux instance, not the Linux instance, but the Ubuntu instance, it will be Ubuntu or whatever the instance username of that instance is. You can select that, and you can select here the public key. Then you have to browse it, and you won't be seeing your public keys here. So what you have to do is you have to select that what type of key you have. PEM key, I will prefer PEM key. So yeah, you will search for your key here. So something like this, you can click it, open it, and it will be here. Then you can just press the finish button, and it's all it, and your like database will be connected here, and you can go through it and connect to its like server or everything you would like to see. Yep, so it was pretty much simple. If you have any question, any queries, you can comment. I can answer that. If you need a detailed video for like creating a video for creating a connection between database and this local host or the DBware, then you can just ask inside the comment section. Then thank you for liking this video, thank you for watching this video, and hope you can hope you like this. Yep, and I hope you subscribe my channel, but I wouldn't ask you to subscribe it actually. This video is for informative purposes. I don't earn from YouTube. I help people on YouTube. So yep, just if you want me to help you more, please kindly do comment on the topics you want me to make videos on related to tech, and I will be happy to help you guys through this. And if anyone having problem with connection to the database, they can paste their like uh, what I can say, that their problem inside the comment section, or they can like simply email me at kasimmlk097@gmail.com. I will be available on this 24/7. If not 24/7, that at least 12/7. So I will reply to your queries as well, and I would love to help you guys on connecting to your DB via the DBware or any other software you're using. So thank you very much for watching this video, and have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you. Bye bye.